As President Mnangagwa orders ZANU-PF structures to prepare for the 2028 harmonized elections, seasoned political commentator Jefferson Chitando has warned that the president may be attempting to sell a dummy to the nation. Critics argue that Mnangagwa's repeated calls for unity and electoral preparedness mask deeper uncertainties about his credibility and commitment to genuine democratic processes. Sarabina mashoka kuda panguva ino vanhu vakuti aiwa muchiona panguva ino pane makozi ari kuraliwa achinzi aiwa start preparing for 2020 elections. It is just a dummy to the entire nation kuti vanhu vangoya vangobva kumeso so that they can be delayed kubackground kuchitwa mamoves aiwa ekukonzolita pawanoti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda mzimu aipo mudamikwa muchinzi addressing Central Committee members in Harare yesterday, Mnangagwa, who serves as the party first secretary, urged cadres to win the hearts and minds of citizens. It is therefore of critical importance that we introspect as a party, not only with regards to our short-term activities, but also in view of the bigger objective of ensuring that our party resoundingly wins the 2028 harmonized elections. He said the president stressed that the nation had passed the halfway mark since the 2023 harmonized elections and insisted that party structures must remain fully mobilized. Winning hearts and minds of the people remain a critical role of every cadre and structure of the party, Mnangagwa added. However, political analyst Jefferson Chitando expressed skepticism about Mnangagwa's declarations. Mnangagwa cannot be trusted. The talk of the 2028 elections and winning the people's hearts is likely a smokescreen, a dummy being sold to the nation to maintain the veneer of legitimacy while internal power struggles continue, Chitando warned. Observers noted that Mnangagwa's insistence on electoral preparedness comes amid growing discontent within ZANU-PF, with the factions reportedly questioning his leadership and the party's direction. Critics argue that these public pronouncements are designed more to maintain political optics than to reflect tangible strategies for national development or democratic credibility. Mashoko aripo mune Zimbabwe ari kuchianalyziwa aiwa nemapolitical analyst vachiti aiwa vakomana chenjerai vanhu vanoinvolvwa with these issues. Vela kuma section medu mudzi mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.